Hello everybody, Steve Conley with Environmental Automotive. I want to talk to you today about this 2015 Camry we're working on. It's got about 110,000 miles on it. Customer called me, was wondering about a quote that she received for doing timing chains on her Toyota Camry. So the price she was given was $4,000, and we thought that might be a little crazy. And we did some investigating, and we found out that it'd be much better to put a low mileage quality used motor in it for about the same cost. So Jim over here is getting ready to pull the motor out, and like I said, it's got 110,000 miles on it. The chains are making noise. And the other thing I wanted to talk to you about was changing your oil on a regular basis. Now, some of these manufacturers are telling you 7,500 miles. And I'm telling you right now, this motor we're pulling out is a good reason why you don't want to go 7,500 miles. You want to go at least 4,000 or 5,000 miles. Use synthetic if you can, and your motor will last a lot longer than 110,000 miles, whether it's a Toyota, Chevrolet, Ford, whatever. It'll last a lot longer if you change your oil more regularly. Because it's not always the oil that goes bad, it's the filters that go bad before that. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on this. Getting ready to put this motor in. We'll probably have that thing in there tomorrow and get it up and running, and have it back to the customer. Should be really happy. 110,000 miles on her car, but she'll have a motor with 30,000 miles on it. So anyway, just a quick update. Take care.